Hello and welcome to class 3 of the Fundamentals of Magic. In this class you will learn how to create an energy ball or chi ball. When I first went through the Fundamentals of Magic and got to this stage, I went, well, I believe in moving energy, I believe in nature's energy, but I don't know if I believe in manifesting energy into the physical world, and so I was pleasantly surprised when it turned out I could. Now this is a relatively simple technique, so I'm going to briefly go over it and then we'll go through it mostly guided together. What you're going to do is you're going to bring up nature's energy, or your own energy if you want to use that, into your stomach, focus it there, and then you'll bring it out into your hands and bring it down and form a ball right here. And that's it. And then I'll guide you along with the rest of it as we go. So, here's what you're going to do. You're going to ground yourself, sense nature's energy, bring it up, up, into your stomach, focus it there, bring in as much as you need. And now when you feel you have enough, you're going to hold your arms out like this, and you're going to bring the energy up out of your stomach, out, up through your arms, and out there. Now you're going to bring it all. I'm already making the ball, and you're going to create an energy ball. Now you will be able to tell it's there, even though you can't see it with your physical eyes at the moment. If you push in, you'll feel some resistance. It may be slight, it may be a lot stronger. Stop making the ball. You're going to you'll feel some resistance there. You can also see it in your mind's eye. And that's how you know, congratulations, you've done it. If you're having trouble getting the shape of a ball or it's dissipating, create a glass sphere around the ball. This is just to help maintain the shape. You're probably feeling some warmth in your hands and other parts of your body. This is just because you have a lot of energy traveling through them. Your hands may feel tired or sore. This is because you're using your inner muscles to create the ball of energy. As you practice, you will be able to create larger and stronger balls, and they'll be more dense. Now that you've got the ball, we're going to ground the ball back into the ground. Now the reason why we're going to do this is because this is now used energy, and if you just bring used energy back in and store it in your stomach, you're not going to feel very nice, and it's harder to reuse used energy. So I'll just bring it in and ground it into the ground. As you practice, you'll want to make larger and more dense energy balls. And as you progress, unlike with physical improvement, with spiritual improvement, your spiritual growth rate will increase dramatically as you go. So you will grow at a faster and faster rate. After a while, you may want to create furniture or characters, whatever you want. Just keep practicing creating. Normally do this for 5 to 10 minutes before bed. Just practice until your body says, okay, that's enough, and then ground it, all the energy that you just made down out your feet, and then you'll feel some tiredness and soreness in your feet. This is perfectly normal. Don't push too hard, as just like with muscle work, you can overdo it. There was one day when I went out for the whole day and I came back and I was tired, and I decided, okay, I'll just make a big red couch. There's a big red couch on a wallpaper I had, and I made the big red couch. And I pushed way too hard, and my hands hurt quite a bit, and they were quite tired and sore the next day. And it wasn't really until the time when I normally practice the next day when they returned to almost being completely normal. So just try not to overdo it. If you had any trouble creating an energy or chi ball, don't worry. As you practice, it will become easier, as you will be much better able to visualize and move energy throughout your body, especially if you've just gone class 1, class 2, class 3. If this is your second week, then you shouldn't really have any problems at all. Now, how do you know that this isn't just a placebo effect? Well, in class 4, I'm going to teach remote viewing, and you'll be able to see your own energy ball and other people's energy balls in your mind, which should hopefully add a level of authenticity to this. So look forward to that. You can go straight on to class 4, as it doesn't have much to do, anywhere near as much to do with spiritual muscle as the first 3 classes did. So if you want to go on to that, you can, or you can wait a week and go on. Anyway, thank you. That was class 3 of the Fundamentals of Energy. I hope you're having fun. It only gets even more exciting from here. Okay, thank you and goodbye.